Hey yo, what's good, new gang? Today I'm gonna react into Raining Sorrow performs Raindrop live on a Wish USA bus. And apparently this is Easy Mill's sister, bro. I think I reacted to a song or two with both of them on it. Those are on the channel, but she's on her solo tip. So we're gonna see what she's talking about. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see if she's talented as well, along with Easy Mill and his damn near his entire team. You feel me? If y'all new to the channel, subscribe. Help me boy reach 10K subscribers. Smash the like button. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. And let's get it. My first time right here. Solo Raining Sorrow. Hey. Okay, they got drone footage in the cut.
Sunlight breaches through the room in a spectacle like in full bloom, and I wonder why can't I smile?
Wish.
Oh. When she says, "Why can't I smile?" I hear a little bit of Easy Mill. I'm gonna keep it 100. Her voice nice too.
Why can't I smile?
Wish. 1075.
Feels like I can't take no more. The curtains I have shut them closed, 'cause I don't.
How old is she? I'm gonna try to pause like minimal. You know what I'm saying? Like less pausing in this one. But y'all, how old is she?
Take no more. The curtains I have shut them closed, 'cause I don't seem to like that happy life. They all say that they're gonna stay, but I know it's all a lie. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am.
That shirt.
I used to have a loved you, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
I bet you Easy Mill produced this. Did he produce this? Let me know, cause boy, this shit hard. Oh, fuck. This shit hard. Can I spit? King, you know what it is? Wish USA. Raining Sorrow.
Feels like I've been shut inside a box where I can't see the light, and it don't seem that I want to get out.
Damn, bro.
The people who have loved me so are in places that I do not know, and it don't seem that I really wanna shout. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am. I used to have loved you, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
Bruh. Are y'all hearing this beat right now? Her voice is amazing. I'm gonna keep it on her. She sounds good vocally, but this beat right now, oh my, yo, I bet you Easy Mill produced this, bro. Damn.
A place where I cannot console feelings that I do not know. The person that I used to be
exclusive
empty
This is
On
hard.
inside me.
1075.
And now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
Hey, yo, she got goosebumps, boy. What you mean? Yo, this shit sound good as fuck. Are you shitting me? Nah, bro. She went crazy on this one.
It seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
Oh my, yo, nah, bro. Yo, get the fuck out of here, boy. She hit that shit. Shout out to Raining Sorrow, bro. Easy Mill going, yo. Easy Mill is putting his people on. I would not be surprised if we see his mom and dad spitting. Let's be honest. Yo, nah, bro. This goosebumps, bro. Just goosebumps. This was a good one, man. This sound is so nice. And I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken, this is her that I know of. This is my second or third time listening to her, but I'm pretty sure she doesn't have that much music. You know what I'm saying? Compared to Easy Mill, but like, bro, I respect this man so much because he's putting his people on, bro. If it wasn't for Easy Mill, I guarantee like Raining Sorrow wouldn't be, you know what I'm saying, a name coming up. H Bomb, same with him. It's like, and I'm not gonna say, oh, Easy Mill's doing all of it. I'm not gonna say that. You feel me? They each doing their own thing, but like Easy Mill just got so much exposure compared to both of them. It's like, all right, let me put these two on. Let me put them on the Wish bus. Let me make music with them. You know what I'm saying? Build their fan base along with mine. It's crazy, bro. Crazy. I respect that, man. But yo, that's my reaction to Raindrop. If y'all enjoy, give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'm out.